This is the morning gardening. I got no business out here, folks. I mean, really no business. I can hardly walk. Had to feed these plants. The corn's coming up in some areas. Very little corn. But let me just show you what I got. Peaches are getting bigger. We got some up here. Trees just full of peaches. They're full of peaches, and I gotta watch where I step, because if I pull this knee any further, I'm gonna go down and then have to call for help. So let's just see, can we get this done and hear the birds. It's great to be back out here. I mean, really, you don't know how you miss your knees until something happened to them, folks. I ain't never felt like this before. But I'm a soldier, so I just keep on going. Look at the size of these. Look at these pretty peaches, folks. And all I did today, I mean this year, was feed these trees the right food. I've been trying other things, but that liquid tea of mine, I got in there early this year. Then I did with organic food, fed them up. And I think what I'm gonna do, folks, I'm gonna just continue all these cherry trees. No, I ain't gonna do that. Look at that cherry tree, it's beautiful. Okay, let's see, can I walk over here? Kale, more kale, just watered with a fish emulsion. That is the mustard green. Of course, you know these are potatoes. Just hold that there for a minute, let you look at it. And this is a tree that was doing quite poor for years. And I started feeding it through, right at the root, the way I showed on my videos. I'm glad they're doing good. I just fed them. Should be some potatoes under there this year, hopefully. All these peaches trees are doing well. Small peaches on this tree because it's away from the sun. All right, this is the morning garden.